Top of the radar we have seen is that Fijians wanting to connect with total strangers, and in doing that they begin to romance with the strangers, and when they gain trust and build a relationship, they end up sending money to the cyber criminals. And we have seen several cases in the last 24 months, actually 80 cases, where Fijians have Fijians have fallen victim to romance scam. So what happens is that once they gain the trust, they will ask that they will send a parcel or package that will contain jewelry, cash, and household goods. And this is what the Fijians need. And to send the parcel, they will say that they need some fees or payment. And this is where the trick is. And once they receive the money, usually it ranges from $200 US to a maximum of $2,000, which is required under the Exchange Control Act. So that's the maximum they can send. Once the money is sent, there is no parcel delivery, and this is where we get reported that they have been victims of such scams. And 80 number is quite big for Fiji, and this is what has been happening. In addition to that, we have seen an increase in the number of loan or investment scam, where there is a promise to offer loan or offer investment opportunities, but you will be asked to pay insurance fee or some other commission fee or clearance fee. Once that fee is paid as upfront payment, there is no loan, there is no investment, there is no money coming in, and Fijians have lost substantial amount of money. The third one on our radar is the illegal pyramid selling scheme or multi-level marketing scams, where we have seen several forms of this taking form and shape. The first one was where people were inquiring whether this is legal or not, and at that time the scheme was so massive that several Fijians at the bottom of the pyramid scheme were losing money. So the Minister for Trade intervened and actually highlighted it in Parliament. We collaborated with the Consumer Council and Fiji FCCC, and we were able to do outreach and combat this illegal pyramid selling scheme. But you'll be surprised that Fijians have been so innovative in running the illegal pyramid selling scheme. They said, no, it's not. We're not selling a commodity. They said we're selling love, we're selling training opportunities, we're selling prayers, and this is the way they were trying to excite and generate interest in members of the public. Ordinary Fijians were falling victims. So that is now under. We have sort of managed to contain that, but Fijians need to be on the constant watch out of online scams that is prevalent in Fiji.